Hi guys, welcome to my video. This is going to be a 5-minute intense Pilates routine. Again, if it's your first time, my name is Joy and I'll be instructing you through each movement. The first movement is a wide leg sit-up with a twist. We have 45 seconds on the timer. We're just going to have our legs open. We're going to come and sit up and we're going to twist, rotating from our left to right side. Make sure that you do your best to have your back flat and completely on the mat. I want you to take those exhales as we're coming up and inhale as we are digressing back down to our mat. Very good. The next movement will be flutter kicks. We're going to have our elbows propped behind us on this movement just for support. And then we're going to just flutter kick our legs. If this is too difficult and you would like a little bit of modification, you can simply just place those hands beneath your lower back and be lying completely flat on your mat and then flutter kick. And you can bend your knees if you'd like to make it a little bit easier. Want to make sure that we're doing our best to keep our breath steady and engaging our core, making sure we are exhaling fully as we are doing each movement. And well done. We're gonna do some delayed leg lowers. So we're gonna bring our legs into 90 degrees with our backs completely lying on the mat. And instead of just coming all the way down and all the way up in one flow, we want to place our palms beneath our lower back and we want to delay our descension. This brings added pressure and tension on your core. So if you want to think about it, you can go from 90 degrees in the air to 60 degrees to 30 degrees. And just slowly delay your lower. If you want modification, you can go ahead and bend your knees and do this same movement. Guys, this one is going to be a double leg stretch. What I want you guys to do is hold this double leg stretch, which will really put a lot of focus on your abs. We're going to have our legs in about 90 degrees and we're going to make sure that we can at least have our arms on the side of us, or modify it just by holding one leg at a time or by bending your knees. But I'm going to do my best to have both of my legs fully extended and my arms at my side as we're holding this movement. If it gets too difficult, you can always try to assist yourself by supporting your legs with your hands. You can do it. Amazing, awesome. Alright you guys, we're going to move into bicycle flow next. Bicycles are really simple but very effective. We're going to have our knees in 90 degrees. We're going to place our palms of our hands right behind our heads, supporting our heads. And we're going to just do a simple bicycle flow. Make sure those toes are pointed. And we're going to exhale and inhale. These are very easy, so modification should not be necessary. And if you would like to modify, you can do a toe tap here, but I would highly suggest just doing the bicycle flow.
Life is a blessing. So you gotta pay attention. Life is a blessing.
Look at you guys, we finished. You did it. You had this intense workout. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for viewing it. I would love to see you come soon again. My name is Joy, and have a beautiful rest of your week. Bye-bye for now.
Nature provides the vibes to keep us down to a healthy mind state. No wait, the clouds have found you. Looking at those pearly gates, wishing for round two. Like those steps to all before you crawl, before those judgments, when that energy was raw. Question mankind, abide by nature's lie. I don't like the legal system, they got one too many flaws. Pardon me for running off my job, but these lyrics are raw like sunny days in the autumn of fall. I'm telling y'all to bring the pure light. Yeah, I know you heard right. Bringing cloudy days with some sunlight. Light up the mic and strike with ambition. Cruising down the road like bikes and transmissions. Lyrics that I write up for fans, I really listen. This is real hip-hop, and I hit it with precision. Yeah, life is a blessing. Every day I try to pay attention to the lessons nature is reflecting. Life is a blessing.